me about this, that there is a documentary award in this festival. So I'm like sitting there with my producer and my two actresses. Yeah, it's a documentary, but there are actors also in this documentary. It's 4 daughters. The journey was amazing. I did this movie because of the partnership with the Red Sea Fund. It helped a lot. So we can and for this I'm very grateful. The movie started in Cannes Film Festival in the main competition. So it was really great. And it represents Tunisia for the Oscars. It's also in the documentary branch. So it's an amazing journey, and this, I wasn't expecting it. So thank you very much, Red Sea, and Cinema.